Alright guys, here's a video of a guy that I helped fix his 450 on Skype a few weeks ago.
Yeah. You got it. You understand what I mean now, though? Yeah, exactly. This should come up.
So impressive, man. Check him out now. No training balls, just wowed me. So yeah, this is just proof that I guess I'm more than capable of getting you guys set up through Skype and flying, man. No training balls. What a guy, great skills. Look how stable that is. Got the right head speed I told him to run. That is stability. Good job again, brother. And who's next? That's all I do is help people, man. I really like helping people. You know, you get a good feeling out of helping people. And anybody else that needs help, I'm going to continue to help people. OWC out. Love y'all. Take care.